Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss Anadiplosis in poetry and prose. Introduction. Anadiplosis, derived from the Greek word for doubling, is a rhetorical device where the last word or phrase of one clause, sentence, or line is repeated at the beginning of the next. This technique creates a link between two ideas, enhancing the flow of the text and emphasizing the repeated word or phrase. Anadiplosis is a powerful tool used in both poetry and prose to create rhythm, build emphasis, and convey a sense of continuity. Historical background and definition. The term anadiplosis originates from ancient Greek rhetoric, where it was first recognized as a formal rhetorical device. The practice of repeating a word at the end of one clause and the beginning of another has been used throughout literary history to emphasize particular concepts and to create a persuasive or memorable effect. This technique has been employed by poets, orators, and writers for centuries to enhance the emotional and logical appeal of their works. Examples of anadiplosis in poetry. Anadiplosis is often used in poetry to create a lyrical and rhythmic effect. A notable example can be found in John Milton's Samson Agonized, where the repetition emphasizes the protagonist's internal struggle. I seek this unfrequented place to find some ease. Ease to the body some, none to the mind, from restless thoughts. In this excerpt, the repetition of the word ease at the end of one line and the beginning of the next draws attention to the character's pursuit of relief, both physical and mental. The technique underscores the difficulty of achieving peace of mind, thus deepening the reader's understanding of the character's turmoil. Anadiplosis in prose. While anadiplosis is frequently found in poetry, it is also a common device in prose, where it serves to reinforce an argument or idea. One of the most famous examples comes from Dr. Samuel Johnson's Rambler No. 21. Labor and care are rewarded with success. Success produces confidence. Confidence relaxes industry, and negligence ruins the reputation which diligence had raised. Here, Johnson uses anadiplosis to illustrate a chain reaction, where each step leads inevitably to the next. The repetition of success and confidence creates a logical progression that underscores the cyclical nature of human behavior and the consequences of neglecting diligence. The effect is both rhetorical and didactic, teaching the reader about the pitfalls of complacency. The special effects of anadiplosis. Anadiplosis is not just a stylistic flourish, it serves several important functions in writing. Emphasis. By repeating a word or phrase, the writer draws attention to a key idea, making it more memorable for the reader or listener. Continuity. The repetition creates a smooth transition between clauses or sentences, giving the text a cohesive flow that guides the reader from one idea to the next. Rhythm and cadence. In poetry, anadiplosis contributes to the overall rhythm of the verse, creating a musical quality that enhances the reader's experience. Logical progression. In argumentative or explanatory prose, anadiplosis can help to logically connect ideas, demonstrating cause and effect or the build-up of a process. Anadiplosis in modern usage. Anadiplosis continues to be a popular rhetorical device in modern literature, speeches, and even everyday language. Politicians, for instance, might use anadiplosis to emphasize a point during a speech, making their message more persuasive and memorable. For example, we must act with courage. Courage to face our challenges, challenges that demand our utmost efforts. In this sequence, the repetition of courage and challenges not only emphasizes the qualities needed but also reinforces the urgency of the situation. Conclusion: Anadiplosis is a versatile and effective rhetorical device that has been used for centuries to enhance the impact of language. Whether in poetry, prose, or speech, the repetition of words or phrases creates a powerful link between ideas, emphasizing key concepts and ensuring that the message resonates with the audience. From the classical works of Milton to the essays of Dr. Johnson and into modern discourse, Anadiplosis remains a testament to the enduring power of well-crafted language. So this was the discussion on the term Anadiplosis in poetry and prose. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.